guy did. He told me unbolt this freaking screw because he forgot that we took that one off, and he freaking let the hood close on my hand. Guys, you don't forget this. I'm gonna hire a real mechanic. This guy is terrible, man. Don't even hire him for your jobs. Welcome back for part 2, episode 2, whatever y'all want to call it. Last time we were here, guys, we pretty much gave you all an overview of what was wrong with the car. We could give you guys a walk around. Today we're gonna focus on removing this fender and finally getting under the car, hoping nothing is bent or broken on the underframe. We already started taking off these bolts and whatnot, and this crap happened to me. I don't know if y'all can see that, because this guy was supposed to be holding the hood, and he told me I had already removed that bolt for the strut, that hood prop, and then I started taking this one off, and I don't know what he did, that he looked away and this thing came down and like grabbed my arm. Luckily the drill was there and it didn't allow the hood to close completely. So first 5 minutes in, I pretty much almost had a broken hand. Hopefully after today I have everything dialed in, what we do need, and I should order all the parts. Hopefully by next video we'll have parts in so we can start fixing up this thing. Today we're just tearing it apart. We might start removing some of the stuff, that way we'll get to the radiator. I think the radiator support is good. It's just the AC condenser and the radiator that needs to be fixed. This one was bent. I thought it was broken, but we just pretty much bent it back in place. It has all the marks. I'm guessing, I don't know if the fender needs to be replaced. It is marked because I don't know if y'all can tell the body lines, they're not aligned. Maybe it just needs to be pushed down. It'll be aligned with the rest of the car. Hopefully that's the case, and we don't have to buy a new fender. But I've been looking around, guys, and for some reason all the freaking front end bumpers for the 2012 GT Mustangs are pretty pricey, man. I'm talking about, I saw on Facebook Marketplace some are going for like 400. The cheapest one I saw was 250, and it was all scratched up. It doesn't matter because we're gonna paint it, but 250 is kind of ridiculous. And for some reason Ford has it cheaper at 180, ready to prep for paint. So I'm probably gonna order it through Ford and the fender as well, because I checked eBay and stuff and Ford was the cheapest one, surprisingly. So no dealership there. Actually they had the best prices. But hopefully today we're gonna dive in deeper and we'll get more concrete information for you guys.
Souvenir.
For your garage or what?
My garage.
How?
The wheel.
There's parts of the wheel, guys, behind what, the headlight, under the right here behind the wheel well. Dang, man, that was it was a pretty hard hit then on my end. Off to me, camera. Oh, this guy. That's 2, dude. That's 2. You're breaking my hand on my camera too.
I'll buy you a new one. Yeah, like an air shield so the air wouldn't escape through there. Because if you don't have it, you're gonna have heating issues.
Really? So the fender's off, guys. Here's a better look at that tie rod. Thanks to one of you guys pointed it out. This was the side that was bent. It's pretty bad on this side, and then the other side is fine. But I think it is advised to, yeah, this one. It's advised just if you're gonna switch one, might as well switch both. And they're really not expensive at all. These babies are gonna be out. They're gonna be for sale if anybody's interested. I know I've said they suck. So if you really don't drive at night, or you just want them literally for the looks and you're willing to sacrifice the light visibility on these, they're in good conditions. I'll have them polished and everything ready for you guys. If you guys are interested, go ahead and let me know. I am gonna try to get the 1314 conversion on the Mustang. Another broken piece. Not a big deal, I guess. It's what, the oil shield?
For the service, to do the service.
Yeah, so not a big deal, but I'm gonna have to swap it out. It did break on contact, but not too bad. Huge thanks to some of you guys that were messaging me on Instagram and on the comment section on my videos, telling me that y'all had spare wheels. Thank y'all. My friend Hector went ahead and dropped these off for me. I know they're gonna look kind of funky, red on red. So we're gonna try to put them on. That way we'll be able to move the car back and forth. It'll just make things a lot more easier. You wanna say cheese? Cheese?
Cheese.
Say subscribe to Albert. There you go, y'all heard him. Alright guys, so there we go. We got all, well, not all wheels, but both wheels on. And it looks promising, honestly. It's holding up good. Maybe we should make it into a rally car and just screw it, just leave it like this. Booty, 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 booty. So this just looks so much better already with the wheels on. We were able to actually get under it and lift it a lot more with the jack. The first time we couldn't because the car was like nose down, like eating dirt. So now that we have it jacked up, we're able to look at all that clearance that we have. We're able to get down there. We're gonna check how everything is looking on her bottom. That sounds kind of awkward, but y'all know what I mean. All right, y'all see this? It's leaking. There you go. That's the coolant. So obviously the radiator is giving out. The plan was actually to put the wheels on, turn the car on, and well, if it turned on, we're gonna move it back because the ground's a lot more even and sturdy right here. It's a lot more flat. Over there, y'all can tell it's kind of crooked to one side. The floor is uneven. Stupid me forgot to bring the keys, and no, I left them at home. Now we can't really move the car. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night. I have some of the parts that we need here. We need wheels, tires, the front bumper, driver fender, bumper brackets, rotors, tie rods, radiator, obviously the seat, the rocker panel, and the AC condenser. As of right now, we were able to check down there. Everything looks good.
Did you put lights?
What lights? What? Oh, lights. We need the new lights. These are coming off once again. We're done for the day. I think it was pretty productive. We removed the fenders. We brought down those rocker panels. We put those loaner wheels on. It gave the car just a little bit better stability. Looks good. The damage doesn't look crazy. I already have the bill list of what we need currently, and we're gonna be needing obviously the wheels, 3 new wheels, 4 new tires, the front GT bumper, the driver fender, bumper brackets, new rotors, the tie rods, the radiator, new seats because the airbag went off, rocker panels, and the AC condenser. As of right now, obviously as time goes and we start bolting stuff off, stuff might come up, but from what we see right now, that's pretty much it. We got under the car and it doesn't look bad at all. It's scraped obviously, but nothing's bent, nothing's dented like that. Everything looks to be in place, so that's a really, really good sign. I don't know why the adjuster from the insurance called it a total loss, and they said I needed all these parts. I guess just because it looked damaged or scratched, they said, you know what, just replace it all new. Tomorrow, hopefully, God willing, I'm gonna come again and we're gonna be able to bring the keys, move the car back, and and then we're gonna proceed with removing the headlights, the radiator, all that stuff. So when we get the parts in, we're gonna be able to start fixing her up. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Subscribe, guys, if you haven't yet. Make sure to check out my buddy Forgotten Fox Body on YouTube, on Instagram as well. He just hit 100 subscribers. He has a Fox Body restoration project he's working on right now. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.